this closet going to be a big work. So last year we just put out a fire with this shelf. So here's the thing that would go like that, and I'm not sure what's holding this up. Ooh! Ah!
Wide. 3 of them.
Heavy duty shelves that you can put stuff on.
You don't want to leave a gap in the back.
Oh, gap.
Yeah, so then things can fall off. Space is not straight.
I think it's straight in this house. Even the outlet kind of like... Oh, wow. Should I wrap it up? Maybe you can decorate with that. So these strong shelves came very handy, although as you can see on the pictures as I'm going to put things in there, the space was still very tight and it was kind of behind the door, so it had a very hard access to it. It worked the purpose for a while, but now we're going to redo this area.
There's no need to complicate things. Let's stick to the basics. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We dance on the same wavelength. This feels like a new beginning. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
This is fine.
Yeah.
We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We dance on the same wavelength. This feels like a new beginning.
Are you okay? The other end. That's hot. I'm all.
This closet is huge and we don't have that many clothes and we don't want more clothes, but we have other items that we need to store, like craft supplies and old pictures and text papers, so everything is just random, but they need to live somewhere. Oh, and the Christmas ornaments as well. But this is gonna be a perfect place for everything. It's gonna be easy to locate and I can label everything to find them faster. And then mainly I just had to rethink the whole entire closet and just keep in mind what we're going to use that for, because seems like we're not going to use it for clothes, but more like an office area. I really like to edit here. It's quiet, I can close the door, I can do the voiceover, and I'm not bothering the kids at night with the music as I'm doing the editing when they are sleeping. So it's gonna be a nice area to have as an office. But before I show you how we organize this closet, I have a big announcement to you. Hello guys, welcome here on scandishhome.com, and for this website I'm going to start to upload more videos. So this would be something that is additional to my already existing YouTube videos and whatever I'm going to post there in the future. So there's nothing going to change there on YouTube. I will have the regular content on every Saturday 6 a.m. Pacific time. So these videos that are coming on this website will be an additional informative video that's going to be free for everyone to see. You can just visit my website and check out what I uploaded, what are my latest uploads there. But also you can sign up for my newsletter, and that is free again. That is something that will inform you if once I release a video or a website post, or I post a video on my website or on YouTube. So I will just notify you, not overly crazy way. Like, I don't wanna give you a notification every time I upload, but I was thinking maybe every second week I would gather all the links to it, so that way you're not going to miss, or you can just pick and choose what you wanna see. But basically that would be the purpose of the newsletter. And for the website I will have additional posts and videos. So that is the most fun that I'm looking for, to post like a less edited version of my videos. That means, like on YouTube, I like to post something that is very aesthetically pleasing and carefully choosing the music. And that doesn't mean I'm not going to put love and work into these videos, but that would be something maybe along the way I grab the camera during the day and I just share something that is maybe a useful idea to you. Or I can just talk about gardening, how we're doing things, and along the line somewhere there. And there's no, like, this is the only plan I have, but obviously I'm going to adjust as you guys wanna see more of that or less of that. So that is nothing set in stone, but it's definitely something that is an additional information top of the video that I post on YouTube. Some of you have mentioned that you are missing my old vlogging videos where I was straight up talking to the camera. So I'm planning to bring this one back on my website as well, so we can have a conversation and we can hang out there together. So that is pretty much it. I think I covered everything with what I'm planning to do, but from now on, watch out for those videos on my website that are additional to my YouTube videos.
You're not turning up against the wall, right? Right there.
Oh.
It's okay, it's white.
It's the same old story being told inside my head.
Ja ottää näitä, että me ollaan monta voi nähdä, maybe?
Try to
Oh, they were not.
I gotta tear this world apart to let you in. My friends say the time's running out, so take the chance. Make a move, 'cause the store won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my world apart? 'Cause I know I need a start to let you in. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Let it go too soon. Oh, I'll be stronger if you just step right in. 'Cause I need a start.
I have to put a hole in the middle. Yeah, I can put this screw underneath. Okay, so should I just keep holding it or put it out?
It's up to you. That will hold this?
Yeah, should. Okay, that's it, no more.
I don't know.
No. Should be able to hold a lot more.
Since we were on the roll, you guys not going to believe it, but we're going to have baseboard in this room.
Vasaratkozik? Úgy jó? Megegyet az aljához közel. Nem.
You keep me wondering,
Perfect.
is our love strong? Just like a
Oda.
love song.
Well, after a long day we went to sleep, and this is the next morning, and I'm preparing lunch and breakfast together, and then I'm using some pork, and then I sliced some potatoes, and I have some garlic that I just chop up at home, but if grocery outlet has this, I like to grab them because it's cheaper there. And in the morning when I have to hurry with things, it just makes my life easier. I had a couple of slices of bacon and I just put it in there as well. Pork and potatoes are so great together. They taste very delicious. And then for lunch for the boys, I'm going to pack some lettuce, and then I have some sausage from a German store and it has potato in there. So it's a very unique one. We buy this once in a while and the boys really like this. This recipe only needs lots of salt and some pepper if you want to add to it, and that's pretty much it. It's very easy to make. The only thing, I like to slice the pork very thin, so make sure it cooks through well. We also ended up putting back everything into its place as it was, because it seems like this is the layout that works the best for us. As for the closet, we are really enjoying these sturdy shelves. Everything has its place. We can open the door wide open, so we have a very easy access to the closet. It's way easier to get in there and out, especially if the two of us is in there at the same time. That was usually the problem. We get stuck at the door. And I like that it's bright and light. I'm going to do some fine-tuning and a little bit of a decluttering, probably eventually down on the road, but for now I just wanted to eliminate all this mess, and I'm really glad it's functioning well now. These shelves are from Amazon and I was hesitant to order at first, but once it arrived I was very relieved because the quality is just beautiful. The finish is very smooth and I have two options with the shelf what color I want, so I can just flip them to have a darker or a lighter version of it. Also, there are many options to set them, and it came with a lots of accessories, so I can have as much legs I want, so I can have lower shelf. But we put it together in a way which is the tallest, because this is the most efficient for our closet. Oh my god. Well, thank you so much for watching until the end. Don't forget to sign up for the newsletter and check out my website for more content. More videos will be coming there. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!